Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Holly and today I'm sharing with you our monthly grocery haul collaboration. It is being hosted by two very sweet friends, Jessica at Jessica Myros and Tiffany at Small Town 6. Please be sure to check their channels out along with the playlist of my other YouTube friends that will be sharing their grocery hauls as well. So please be sure to check those links in the description box. And these are the items I picked up from Walmart. I did do a scan and go where you do the membership for a year and you get to, on your phone, you just scan your items. So when you have something like with the barcode, you just scan it and it puts it in your cart, on your app, on your Walmart app. And then at the end, when you're ready to check out, you just go where the scan and go registers are. You scan the little barcode on the register and you basically choose your payment, you pay, and you leave. So really simple and easy. I assured myself I would get everything that I needed without doing a pickup this time. And if I did not get what I needed, that was my fault this time. So, but I did get everything that I planned on for this week. So I did pick up some honey ham. That's the Hillshire Farm. That's the pound family size, and some of the honey roasted turkey breast. And premium romaine lettuce, or the salad. I have two of those. I take those as well for lunches and things, and during the week I'll have that. Some two red bell peppers, some of these Light and Fit yogurts. So they had the different ones, like the apple pie flavor, which is really, it's caramel. If I can get it to focus. Caramel apple pie is really good. This one's the Boston cream pie. And the tiramisu, I think this is what this one is. Let's see. Yes, tiramisu. So these are all really good. I like different flavors because I always take these to work with me, and sometimes you just want something different. So I usually pick up the strawberry shortcake, cheesecake, yogurts, and I just wanted a different flavor, a few different flavors this time. I also got, this is the banana cream, and it's the Great Value version, so that one I'm sure is good as well. Have some mandarins, and another thing for a recipe is some fajita blend seasoning. So this is the Kinder's, so I wanted to try that one. Some brown gravy, like mashed potatoes, our favorite, great for a quick side. All these, and I like the Knorr for a quick side, and they had the Cajun chicken flavor. So this was new, and I wanted to try this one because we love Cajun flavored anything. We are from Louisiana, so we love things like that. Although a lot of things we like to do homemade, but like I said, this is really, really quick for a side. So definitely, one we wanted to try and see if we like it. Some roasted garlic mashed potatoes. That's the family size. Also quick side. I have 4 cans of Del Monte sweet peas and petite diced tomatoes. Sunkissed orange drink. My husband loves the Sunkissed drinks sometimes, and sometimes I'll pick it up on my way home as far as like a 20 ounce or something like that. So I decided to get the 12 pack, so that way he has this on hand whenever he wants it. Also some 7-Up Zero Sugar. I have 2 of those, always in my videos, you know that. Some Bounty napkins. I have 2 jars of marinara. You can see that marinara sauce. And a recipe called for, I think it needed to have 3 cups of the sauce, and I don't think 1 jar was gonna quite do it, so I bought 2 just in case, and I could freeze the rest if I needed to do that, or use the rest in another recipe. Some sweet relish. Also picked up some Downy. Some of you know my daughter's staying with me right now while her husband is overseas, and she's been using the Downy, and I used to use it, but stopped and started using something else, but I was like, oh, I remember what this smelled like now, and I like the smell of it, so I'm starting to use that one again for at least a little while. And then I also got this Aussie Miracle Waves. It's the shampoo and the conditioner. My hair, you wouldn't know it when you see me on camera, because my hair is always straight. I straighten it with a straight iron, but my hair is very curly, very wavy, and I just thought I would try these out and just see
how that would work. Maybe my hair would be less frizzy. And I did pick up some Equate, the Benadryl form of pills there, some Tic Tacs, and my husband's vitamins, 1 a day, the men's 50 plus. Also for me, some Energy B12. These, I think, those are the gummies, so we'll try those out and see. Krill oil, 3 packs of noodle soup from, days that we don't feel too good. Those are great. My husband grew up with these, and this has just been a staple. We always have these in my pantry, no matter what. The dogs' treats, so I got a big bag of those for them, and some Aquafina water. That's a 32-ounce case. I have some instant grits, the butter ones. I take those to work as well in the morning on my way to work. Some Community K-Cups, for the Keurig. So I have 24 of those, and that was $13, I believe, which I thought was a really good price for those. Also have just the breakfast blend ground coffee, and we use this also in the little reusable K-Cups, or sometimes if we have people over, I use my other coffee maker, and I can make where it's not a pot, but it makes 12 cups, and you can just put your cup in it and get it out of the coffee maker. So then I have Starbucks mocha. As you can tell, I like my coffee. Community, like I said, that's always my favorite because that's what we grew up with. But mocha, the Starbucks, I like this flavor, and I like to have this every now and then. So this one is like a little treat for me. Some Premier protein again. This is, I always get this every week because I use it in my coffee, so as like a creamer. And I use a little bit of creamer, but I use more of this in it to get some protein, and that's the cafe latte. I do have some more potatoes. That's a 5-pound bag of red potatoes. We go through potatoes a lot. Also some flank steak and some skirt steak. And everything is high, but yeah. I got two packs of the chicken breast. I go through chicken breast also a lot. So I do a lot of chicken recipes and things like that. It's just cheaper sometimes than this kind of meat. So this is kind of a treat to have that one. So I don't buy that all the time. Some Baby Bella mushrooms, some angel hair pasta. I have these Carb Balance. These are the fajita flour tortillas. So we're going to do fajitas. That's kind of what this is for here. And I don't know if I mentioned the mozzarella, and that's going to be for a recipe as well. I think that is it, other than one thing that's not a food item, but this mold armor, mold and mildew killer. It's for indoor, outdoor. So this is good if you're having issues with any kind of mildew or anything that you have in your house or outside. And I try not to use bleach or anything because it'll give me like respiratory issues, just because I clean for a living, and I've used bleach probably for the first 10 years of cleaning, and now I can't really use it too much. So this I use it. I like it because you don't have to scrub. It literally gets it away. So I can spray it and walk away and come back later, and it's gone. And then I can rinse it and just clean it down, whatever I have to do. And I don't have to use that often, which is good. But if you use anything like that, sometimes it's good to use a little mask or something if you have respiratory problems. But that is going to be it for this haul. And like I said, if you don't have a Walmart membership, it might be something to consider, save up for if you want to do that, because like I said, it just makes it so much easier than trying to stand in line, especially when the holidays come, even though I do pickups for that, because I usually have a lot to get for the holidays and like Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff. And I still go in, but sometimes I'll let them do the majority of my shopping. But like I said, sometimes I just want to make sure I get everything that I ordered. So that's why I went in this time and did that. So it's a quick and easy process to do. Please don't forget to check Jessica and Tiffany's channels, along with that playlist of my YouTube friends who are also sharing their grocery hauls with you today. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week. God bless y'all.